Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. We have a completely different video than what I usually do. This is not going to be a makeup tutorial. You see a whole new setting behind me because this is going to be a fashion haul. This video is in collaboration with PRETTYLITTLETHING. Yes. That's right, it's in collaboration with PRETTYLITTLETHING. I absolutely love and adore Pretty Little Thing. If you say that really like quickly after each other, it's kind of hard. Pretty Little Thing, oh, it's not that hard. So I've selected some stuff that I absolutely love. And I thought, you know what, let's switch up. And I did a lot of makeup tutorials. I do want to do a little bit of fashion on my channel as well as on Instagram. And I feel like, I don't know, let's switch it up sometimes and make it more fun so you guys get to know me and my style more. The thing that I really love about Pretty Little Thing is that it's affordable. And I feel like it's for everyone. So it doesn't really matter what kind of taste you have. It's for everyone. I personally really don't like to dress like extremely naked, if that makes sense. So I can go online and shop there. And you know, with web shops nowadays, you can't really find good items and still look kind of good without looking completely naked, if you know what I mean. So I'm rambling too much again. Let's start. I'm going to do some fittings and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I saw this online and I was like, You also have this one in black, and I showed it to my husband and he was like, you know, that typical style that usually men are like, what is this? But I thought the color was so cute and it kind of reminded me of J-Lo / Aaliyah. You know what I mean? Kind of like the 90s. I don't know, I feel like it's going to look very cute with sneakers, but also with heels. So we are going to try this on. And before I'm going to try it on, I do have to quickly mention something that I feel comfortable with. Your girl gained a little bit of a weight, okay? I don't know why I wanted to put it out there, but maybe I was a little bit insecure because my thighs are disrespecting me lately very, very much. And I do have a slow thyroid, so I gained a bit of weight. But we have to look at the bright side, and that makes a very good excuse to shop some new clothing. Yes. So this is outfit number one. You either love it or you hate it. I personally really love it. It kind of gives me like J-Lo vibes. You also have this one in black. I always wear black, so I thought let's switch it up. And I am going to LA soon. My husband doesn't like it because he's going to mesh my... He better should. But yeah, I feel like it's going to be really nice, you know, with some sneakers on. As I said, I'm not like super slim and skinny, but I feel like with this type of model, you can still show a little bit of skin without feeling uncomfortable. And this is really comfortable actually because it's quite stretchy. But yeah, I feel like if it stops right here, you can show a little bit of skin. So your figure looks kind of more hourglassy. You know what I mean? So next we have this snake print outfit, which I think is very, very cute. And I feel like 6-7 years ago it was like everywhere, and now it's like back in fashion again. And what I love about this outfit is you can style it in different ways. So some people like to style it this way. This makes you taller, makes you slimmer looking. If you are going with heels underneath this outfit, it is going to look very sophisticated, very fashionable. So I really love a high waist, a really good high waist. And this is what I love because it makes me more slim, you know. So if you're a little bigger here, then this is going to look amazing on you. So this is how you can wear it, but you can also wear it like this. If you want to show off your curves, if you are blessed with them, you can definitely do that by wearing it like this, or you can just put it in, I know I'm doing it very roughly right now, but you can also put it in your trousers, which I think I like the most. Yeah, I definitely love it. And I feel like the quality is very good, so it actually looks a little bit more expensive than it is. So as you can see, the trousers are quite long. That's usually my number one problem because I'm not very tall. But they are flared out and they are very, very comfortable. Very airy as well, so perfect for summer. But I feel like you can definitely wear this with a big fluffy jumper as well. So this is what I was talking about. This is probably my favorite item from this whole collection. It's so soft and it has this teddy material, which is really, really hot right now. And I also really do love the variety in texture. So this is pretty thick and it's kind of like woolish. And then you have this very airy trousers. I feel like the key to look fashionable is mixing textures because it makes it interesting and it's intriguing. So I do really love this style. You can wear this with boots, with heels, you can wear it with sneakers. So for me, this is a perfect example of looking fashionable without putting too much effort and without being like too overdone. So this with a nice bag and some sneakers, maybe a sunglass, and you look fine, baby. You look fine, baby. So next we have this outfit, and this one I feel very comfortable in. Although it's pretty tight, I still feel like it accentuates my figure in a good way. And I really like the ruffles underneath this skirt. It's very comfortable. At first, if you put it on, it feels like, oh, this is going to be tight. And then it actually fits perfectly. And this is a body, and this is exactly what I love about a body, is I like the high neck. So if you wear jewelry, it is really going to show off. And then I like the fact that it's perfect around my arms, and it's like second skin material, if you know what I mean. It always looks so clean. Imagine this wearing with a ripped off jeans, or imagine it with a suit if you're going to work, for example, with a blazer and with trousers. It is going to look amazing. And you see, I definitely do have a full belly, and now it's kind of like minimized because of the bodysuit. I feel like you can definitely wear this to work. If you are that extra, you can wear some red lippies with this, and then with the black and white skirt, it is going to look amazing on you. You see the ruffles, which makes it a little bit more outgoing, a little bit more fun. As I said, I feel like you can definitely wear this to work, but also to a party, but also just casual with some sneakers. You see, that's what I really love about clothing, is that I don't really have like one style. You can wear this in so many different ways. And yeah, I feel like every woman should rock a snake skirt like this. So next we have this outfit. This is very me. This is what I would definitely wear if I don't know what to wear. So not everyone is going to feel comfortable in a cropped sweater, but I feel like this is just exactly the right length. And especially with this trouser, it just, I don't know, it feels really... As you can see, the jeans is not completely skinny. It's kind of flared and it's kind of straight, which I love because this type of jean, I don't know, it makes my legs a little bit more flattering. So this is another top. This is exactly the same material as the black bodysuit. I absolutely love nude colors. I feel like they go with everything. Again, white with something nude. And look at it. It kind of reminds me of Kim Kardashian. I think it's from Jeezy. She wears this kind of like second skin material. And I absolutely love how it looks. And although some of you may be a little bit scared when it comes to second skin materials, I personally feel like, oh my god, everything is going to show when I wear this. But it's actually the opposite. It makes me, I feel like it makes me slimmer than I really am. It stops at the waist. This way, I personally still feel comfortable wearing a crop top without showing too much skin. Maybe just a little bit on the waist, and that's it. And I feel like it goes really perfect with the paperback jeans. So the color of this paperback jean is amazing. I don't feel like it's like that typical army green, but it's slightly, I don't know, pistachio green. I can't really describe it, but I do love it, especially with black. And this is another top. You guys have seen the nude version and the bodysuit, and these tops are so good. They need to be in your basic wardrobe area. So, because you can just compare it with everything, and I absolutely love this outfit. I would definitely wear this with some white sneakers, and oh my gosh, I can't wait for autumn. Automatically, I feel like doing this, but they don't have pockets, and I definitely have to iron this. But again, it's that kind of like a, yeah, I think they call it like paper bag material, which you will need to iron for it to look good. But yeah, I do like it. I do love the belt as well. And I also like the fact that it goes down a little smaller towards the ankles, which is going to give you a nice figure. Actually, to make this outfit completely autumn proof, I feel like autumn is so weird to pronounce if you're speaking like, I don't speak American English, but not like English. Autumn. I should say fall. But look at this super cute teddy bag. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? I feel like this changes the outfit completely from to I'm ready for you, autumn, fall. I feel this is maybe a little bit too big because it's quite a big bag. But hey, if you can, just lay it like this. But I personally, I think I would prefer to wear it like, wait, how do you wear this? Oh no, like this. Yes, we got it. You see how cute this is? And now with some sneakers. And then maybe you can wear it with a beanie and some sneakers, and you are looking cute, my friend. What do you think, husband? This is kind of like a... I'm actually very curious what my husband thinks about this, because I think a lot of guys are like, hello, are you wearing a kangaroo with you? So what do you think, actually? Oh, he does like... Good. Okay, mate. So now we have this outfit. I never really came across a blouse, is what I should call it, and then cropped. And I do really love this detail going on right here. I paired it with a jeans, but you can definitely wear it with actually anything you want. You can wear this very sporty, you can wear it with heels, you can definitely wear it to work. I feel like it's very feminine. It can be formal, but it could definitely be street as well if you wanted to. So you guys, you know the brand that I was going to mention? They sell sunglasses of QUAY Australia, which is one of my favorite brands to wear when it comes to sunglasses. And they also got the Don't At Me in collaboration with Desi Perkins. I wanted to have this for so long, and now I finally got my hands on it. And this is so, I feel like I should be, like I could be the wife of George Clooney, like this. My husband is looking at me. I wanted to test you. He was like, what? You were jealous, huh, for a moment. I love it. Okay, well, anyways, you see, this is what I mean. I feel like I'm a grown woman. I can do whatever I want. So another thing that you can do is open almost all of your buttons, and then you can wear this satiny cropped blouse with a beautiful bra or with a bodysuit. If you feel comfortable in that, that is going to look pretty as well. Next up, we have this blouse, which is kind of like satin. I don't know what it is, but silky satin feeling. You definitely have to iron this, but I do really love these kind of blouses to pair it with a jeans. But you can definitely wear it with, I think, maybe like a white flared trousers, or I don't know, maybe with something white. Kind of gives me that Santorini feelings. I don't know why I speak Santorini very Spanish, since it's Greek. So you can definitely wear the blouse in your jeans, which is my fave. And it's very comfy as well. It's oversized, so you can, I don't know, I kind of like mixing manly style with something feminine. So this is very me. I would wear this with sneakers or maybe with heels. The color of this blouse is absolutely everything. It's kind of like dark teal. It's just so good. And if you are kind of like sick and tired to wear whites and black colors on your work, this is something else. This is something you can vary with, and I absolutely love it. I will pull it off. So, and this is how long it actually is. You can definitely wear it with flared jeans, as I said, or flared trousers, and then maybe with a very nice belt, if you feel comfortable with that. But I personally really do like to wear it with jeans. And also what you can do is, if you are wearing a bodysuit, kind of like maybe like lingerie style, you can just definitely wear this on top, kind of as a, not really as a jacket, but more as a vest, if you know what I mean. You can just wear it like very loose. That is going to look very nice as well. So next we have another blouse. It is also kind of like a satin silky kind of blouse, but less shiny than the teal one. I absolutely freaking love this. And the thing that I was so like, this blouse comes with a trouser, so it's kind of like a set, and that is going to look stunning with sneakers. But it was sold out, but as soon as it's in stock, I am going to buy it and pair it with the blouse, because imagine wearing an outfit completely with this pattern. And I feel like this blouse either reminds you of Christmas or Gucci. I absolutely love it. Although I'm not really a pattern kind of person, I feel like it's always like so busy. There's too much going on. I don't like to wear a lot of bright colors, but this is still, I don't know, this is something else. This is like, oh, hey, where did you get the blouse? You know what I mean? If you can't get your hands on the trousers, you can definitely wear it with jeans. You can definitely rock this with a white jean as well to look extra fancy and to look extra, I don't know, like glamorous. I tied it in a knot, but it is oversized. You can definitely put it in your jeans as well. So, It actually kind of looks like a pajama, but I personally really love the new pajama style. And yeah, so there you go. Next we have this sweater. I am living for these types of sweaters. I feel like I have a bunch of them, and every time my husband sees a sweater like this, he's like, don't you already have that one? Yes, but like nude lipsticks, you can't have enough nude sweaters. I love a turtleneck. I love the sleeves. I feel like if someone asked me the way, I feel like you should go second light, go to the left. You know what I mean? Like being extra fancy. As I said, QUAY Australia is also available on Pretty Little Thing. And I chose this Runaway glasses from QUAY Australia. And to be honest, I never really felt comfortable in wearing like cat eye glasses. My sister has one. And I tried it and I actually really loved it. So Runaway from QUAY Australia. Looking all fancy and stuff. You see it's kind of cat eye, but it's not like, I don't know, I don't feel like it's too much. Pair it with some boots. I would definitely wear this maybe also with a black jeans and then with some boots and then with a very nice bag and those glasses and hoops. I think that way this jumper is going to look amazing. It also feels very comfortable. I am personally really living for turtlenecks in the winter and fall. And last but not least, we have another bodysuit. They feel so comfy. This is the same, I don't know if it's exactly the same, but it's kind of like the same material as the black one. Also the second skin feeling. But this one, as you can see, is a little bit more shiny, which I personally really love. I do think it's very comfortable. For example, let's take my teddy bag, put on some sneakers. And I'm ready to go. I really love this outfit. This outfit is also like very me. I absolutely love this fabric. I think I'm going to get myself more because I feel like you can definitely wear this with anything, especially when you don't know what to wear. And I have that crisis lately quite often. So these bodysuits are going to be like the perfect solution for that. And then we also have these shoes. I personally picked out 3, which I really like. Snake print, and I do really love the fact that the front of the shoe is not completely square, but it's not like completely pointy either. It makes them look a little bit more expensive and I don't know, maybe a little bit more fancy. And I have to admit, I can't really walk very good on heels anymore. I have no idea what happened, but these block heels are so comfortable, and from now on I'm only going to wear those type of heels with a block because I just love it so much. I love the fact that it's so simple. Same goes for the black one. It's exactly the same, but then you have it in black, which you can definitely wear with anything you want, with joggers. You can wear it with paperback jeans, with cargo jeans. You can wear it with normal denim jeans. So these two are, for me, they are perfect and very comfy. Sometimes you just have those moments where you can't really decide whether to go with like white heels or like with black heels, and you're kind of in between. So that's why I chose this gray one. And I think gray and nude is one of my favorite combos to wear, and pair it with the nude bodysuit that I wore with the jeans. And I think you are ready to rock, girl. So that's it, guys. That is it for this video. And I have to get used to it myself as well. I feel like the English terms, I'm so used to doing makeup tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching. I personally really enjoyed doing this video. If you want to see more fashion hauls, let me know because I love doing them. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm going to link everything in the description box. So if you want to buy something or you saw something that you like, you can just click on it and then you will be automatically directed to Pretty Little Thing. I want to thank Pretty Little Thing for this collab, and I'm hoping to do more fashion videos if you guys like it as well, so let me know. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.